In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use hosting a VPS in just 5 minutes. Let's dive in and explore how you can quickly get started with the powerful VPS options provided by Hostinger. First things first, you'll want to head over to Hostinger's website. You can do this by entering hostinger.ph in your browser. Hostinger is a great platform that allows you to bring your ideas online with a variety of options, from building websites to hosting applications and even playing games on their virtual private servers. Once you are on the Hostinger homepage, the next step is to log into your account. You can find the login option at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that and enter your credentials to access your Hostinger account. If you don't have an account yet, make sure to sign up. It's quick and easy and gives you access to all the fantastic tools Hostinger provides. After logging in, you'll arrive at your dashboard. This is your control center where you can manage all your Hostinger services. Look for the section called Home Hostinger. This is where you'll begin setting up your VPS. It's a straightforward process, but if this is your first time, don't worry. Everything is clearly labeled to help guide you through. From your dashboard, click on the VPS option. VPS, or Virtual Private Server, is a fantastic tool to have. It allows you greater flexibility, control and performance for your applications, websites or game hosting compared to traditional shared hosting. Next, you will be faced with a few options such as build applications, host websites or play games with VPS. Depending on your needs, choose the one that suits you best. These options are there to cater to specific use cases, ensuring you have the best configuration for what you plan to do. Now it's time to click on KVM VPS. KVM stands for Kernel-Based Virtual Machine, which provides enhanced performance through its virtualization capabilities. It's an excellent choice if you are looking for robust and efficient VPS hosting. Lastly, if you're planning to create a gaming server, you'll want to explore the Game Panel option. By clicking on Game Panel, you enable tailored settings and features specifically designed to optimize your gaming server's performance. Whether you're hosting a server for friends or a larger community, Hostinger's Game Panel provides the necessary tools to ensure a smooth gaming experience. And there you have it, you're now equipped to use Hostinger's VPS to its fullest potential. Remember, VPS hosting offers you the flexibility and power to host applications, run websites, or manage game servers with ease. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, Hostinger support is always ready to help you out. Happy hosting!